So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE Squad? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video, and yeah, 2 videos in a row. Don't worry, I'm on the road. But I decided to go ahead and paint these babies white. So yeah, I think I know this backwards. I'm gonna order some black Brembo stickers later. So, but I got 1,000 grit sandpaper, primer, clear, some alcohol, and some high heat paint. I'm not gonna reveal the color until, if y'all already watched the video uploaded yesterday, then you already know what color these babies about to be. But here it is. I got the primer, clear, masking tape. I got the trash bag and stuff out there. I'm doing 2 at once just to knock it out, let it take time to dry. Then I order the Brembo stickers and knock it out. Cause I can put the Brembo stickers on anytime. I'm gonna go ahead and get this painting out the way. Since I'm off and really don't got too much to do. But y'all stay tuned. Like I said, down like this sandpaper, clean your alcohol, prime it, and then spray that baby. So, but this baby's coming together. So I can see I cut some more. That's pretty much what you gotta do with the wide body. I know I'm off topic, but they have little brackets just to hold the front flare to the front bumper too. So that's what you gotta do, bro. Constant adjustment. See, even this Brembo sticker cricket and stuff, bro. So I was riding bootleg, bro. I don't like that. So we gonna get this right today. So y'all stay tuned, man. Look at that. Peace. Well, JJLEE Squad, one side is finished. I'm pretty much not gonna show y'all the other side because I mean it does the same thing, honestly. But hope y'all ready to see this. It actually turned out pretty dang good. Shout out to my boy Dalen. He considered this freaking idea. He was like, bro, since there's no more red on the outside, it's gonna be red on the inside, but bam, white on the freaking calipers, and they look real good, especially with the, I wouldn't even say these wheels are chrome, it's like a machine or something like that. But so they're talking, here they go. You can actually see it more than the red, honestly, bro, and it complements the wheel and of course the car too with the forest carbon. Of course, like I said, I'm gonna get the car wrapped anyway, but having a white caliper instead of red is different, and it's really cool actually looking at it. Cause now I'm gonna buy a black Brembo sticker. It looks like that. Brembo on the bike, but I'll probably get like a better look or a better picture. Yeah, that's perfect. I like that. And it looks color matched, but it's really just regular like flame proof paint. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm getting started over here, but I'm gonna pretty much say this video is over. But like I said, flame proof white. Just reveal when I primer. I got white primer because you know I always like to prime stuff. And go over here. Like I said, I'm getting started right here. Already got it taped off. Just want to sand it some more, and then bam, and that's it. Yeah, this baby came out. Now I'm looking at the red. It's kind of like, damn, ew. But I still got this cool little thing so you can see it on the side. But just looking at everything, yeah, white was a great decision. Plus it's different. Not everybody got white calipers, bro, or white Brembos. You know what I'm saying? Some people got white calipers, but not white Brembos. But you know, the outside look of the baby. I'm building this baby up, bro. It's ridiculous. I'm building this baby up. I'm gonna headers. I'm not all the way stock, but we're gonna go ahead and get this baby done, y'all, and knock it out, and then that'll be pretty much it. So, like I said, tools you need: probably jack stand, primer, clear, paint, masking tape, impact if you got one, or just a freaking breaker bar. So that's pretty much it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure to look at it. Tell me what y'all think. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel. And more changes are coming. Like I said, I posted that video saying I'm changing pretty much everything up, bro. And then that's it. That's it. I just went honestly crazy, bro. Forged carbon, white, forged carbon. Oh yeah, fuck. Almost forgot to show y'all. I went ahead and did the other tip white. As you can really see it now, bro. The red was kind of dead a little bit, so. Bam. Oh, now that. I ain't gonna lie, that's cool. Like I said, I ain't gonna get those powder coated. I'm just like, you know how you do mock-ups to see if you're gonna like it or not. So, that's what I did. So far, these babies looking good. You can tell these babies are old, but ain't nothing more powerful sanding to do. But like I said, man, let me go ahead and finish this up, get this done. Cause it's supposed to be like 105 today or something. So I'm trying to knock this out and then let them cook while I'm driving and let them cook just sitting here. So y'all remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Y'all tell me what y'all think on the new color scheme, the new design, all this. But like I said, the insides will of course stay red floor mats, red steering wheel, forged carbon. Well, still trying to find red seats because I will get the red seats and the red door frame, whatever. But stay tuned, man. We'll catch y'all later. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video, and I will catch y'all later. Peace.